I've adapted this recipe from a Vietnamese street food dish called chicken fry, where marinated chicken or pork is fried or grilled over coals in the narrow avenues of Hanoi. But this recipe involves roasting the meat in an oven. Marinating the chicken overnight is crucial for the success of this lemongrass chicken, as it really won't be the same after a short marination. This is quite simple to put together and traditionally served with rice and a dip to season the meat. So I'll shut up and we'll get on with it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. So our first and only major step in the process, to be honest, is to make the marinade for the chicken. To do this, I'm going to blend all of the marinade ingredients into a paste, but you'll get the same results if you just chop the lemongrass, scallions and shallots finely. So let's blend. I'm adding the oil, sugar and pepper to the marinade after it's blended, as my poor small blender couldn't take the volume, bless it. Firstly, let's make sure the cavity is empty. We don't want to find any unwanted entrails now, do we? Turn the bird onto its tummy. I really shouldn't play with my food, should I? But you can kind of see the dinosaur in it. At the top of the cavity, you'll feel the spine, starting at the neck. Take your kitchen shears or a knife and cut down either side of the spine. And voila, the spine is out. Next, we can flatten it out. Open the sides, and can you see the white cartilage I'm pointing to? Use a knife to slice through that. And then snap both halves, just like you would a twig or a cookie. And it's spatchcocked. I'm just going to take the wings off, as they tend to burn in the oven. Right, let's get to marinating this bird. Cover it completely with the sauce. Cover it and put in the fridge overnight. So traditionally, the street food is served with a condiment oil. I'm choosing scallion oil because, well, it's amazing and it does complement the chicken so well. Remember the green tops of the scallions we saved from the marinade? Chop those finely. Add the salt to the oil and then the green tops and mix well. Always best to make this in advance so the scallions flavour the oil. Now our second condiment, the dip. Mix all of the ingredients together and heat gently in a pan until the sugar has melted, but take it off the heat before boiling and do let it cool to room temperature. Here's our marinated chicken, suitably bathed overnight. You'll see I flipped it before I went to bed last night. So let's heat our oven to 100 degrees Celsius fan. Cover the chicken with foil initially so the marinade doesn't burn. and pop it into the preheated oven for 45 minutes. After the 45 minutes, let's marinate the chicken again and return it to the oven for another 30 to 40 minutes uncovered to brown the skin. Now the chicken is cooked. Let's cover and let it rest for 15 minutes while we cook the rice. When we're ready to serve, douse the chicken with the scallion oil. And sprinkle with some chopped coriander. And here we have it. Delicious juicy chicken roasted with the fragrance of lemongrass and Vietnamese spices. And perfect when the meat is dipped into the sauce. So if you liked this video, why not give it a thumbs up? It all helps me out. And do give the recipe a go. I'd love to see how yours turns out. So until next time, bye!